So there we have it, right? Cushion's flipped off. I was thinking, you know, what if we put the seat back on like that? I mean, you think that would hurt? I think it might be a bit of a bumpy ride. I'm going to be taking apart the driver's seat cushion, and I'm going to try and restore it. And what do we have? Oh, there you go. So the only thing holding on to it right now is the adjuster. Cable is just clipped on here, so we need to take it apart all together. You can leave that on to attach to the seat. You can see over here, this is becoming a little strenuous, so I'm going to take this off and alleviate some of that stress so the fabric doesn't get damaged. I don't like to force too much on anything, so I like to make it as smooth as possible. Try not to break any clips. At least this way here, when you're putting things back together, it'll just snap back into place. So there you have it. Some clips. So you don't need to break that stuff. You don't need to be forceful on it. See, again, the goal is to cause the least amount of damage as possible. That came out pretty easily, right? Pried it off. You should be able to slide these two pieces through, get these out of the way, and voila. Check it out. There you go. Pull this puppy off here. Not making too much damage to it. So you just flip it out. Flip it out from behind. See that? Look at that. We got a new trick, right? This is the first time I ever taken a seat apart myself, so gotta be careful. The edges behind here are pretty sharp. You don't want to carelessly just grab on anything and then apply pressure. You might cut yourself. So trying to avoid touching back there, right? I know that will cut. Should start coming off. I think this is where to pop this. Got little lips there, and then you got the other one here, right? So all I had to do basically was see the pry marks underneath and behind. Nobody's gonna see that anyways. But I just pried on this side, then I pried on this side, and it popped off. So there we have it. Here comes the tray. What do we have? Stick on the lip here, maybe? Yeah. There you go. Pull it through the hole. And bang, look at that. So here we have the cushion. We have the tray. Put my finger underneath there. See? And I'm just like pulling up on it very gently. Okay, so I'm going to re-glue that, make sure it's all nice and put back in. So now this is what it looks like behind it. So all this here basically sits into those grooves. So I'm inspecting it here, and I thought maybe the cushion would be sunk in, but you can see the cracks in there. So basically when I was sitting down, it was just coming apart, and that's what's pushing down on my butt, right? So there's some repairs there to be done. When you're trying to put your car back together, you don't have problems. Now when I go back to work on it, everything will be available.